I want to give you the tip of the day. It's a real nice Sunday out. I haven't had my bikes out all year. Haven't been feeling really well. And I finally got my leak fixed in my little Dio. And all the plumbing and everything is working real good. I want to see how well this camera does it when I put it on YouTube, if I can get it on YouTube, because it either goes through the cloud or something like that and it doesn't work. I can't figure out why. I mean, this technology has just grown so far beyond me. So I'm getting ready to wash this, so I'm putting bags on everything. But this is the tip of the day. This is my 2010 CBR with 3,200 miles on it. Haven't ridden it all this year. Mainly because they want insurance now from this state, and they're just charging a fortune. But this is the tip of the day. I'm going to wash all my bikes, and I found this stuff. I think it's made in Germany. I found this at a really nice little bike shop, and I decided to buy something. A bottle like that, something like 15 bucks. But I want to tell you what, I've been washing bikes for 60 years now. And this stuff right here, Total Cycle Cleaner, it makes your bike, you can see this bike's been sitting there a year with no wash on it. It makes the bike look like you've armor-alled everything and you've waxed it. I'm just so amazed. And I don't wash the bikes that much because when you get older you just get tired. I mean, when I was young I could stay up 3 nights in a row and I could jump up 4 feet off the ground playing frisbee. It was really fun. But sadly, those days are gone. I'm going to wash this bike too. Little gyro. It's got like, this is 1985, so it's 37 years old. And it has 3,031 miles altogether. Beautiful little bike. I really love it. People out in the city really love it. The cops have tried to pull me over because I don't blame them. You don't see these on the streets. But I had this sheriff pull up behind me, and you could look at him like, oh, he's got me. I'm going to give this guy a huge ticket. And he ran all the plates and everything, and found out I had a motorcycle permit and I have insurance. So he just kind of looked at me and drove off. Took a left or a right and turned off. So I'm going to wash this one, and I'll wash the CBR. And I just thought about this just 1 second ago. I'm going to wash every bike, and then I'm going to break out this $1,500 camera, and I'm going to take before and after. This is the before, the wash. As far as using that cycle stuff that it's over on the bike. And I want to see how well it works. I just love this bike, but I'm thinking about just thinking about a 2021 650R. It's got 20 less horsepower, but it's a lot more streetable for us old racers. I gotta wash this one off too. And then when I get done, I'll give you my tips on washing bikes to make them look their best. And one of these days I'm going to have a video on washing bikes to put them away for the year and what to do with that. But it's a nice little street I live on. It's cul-de-sac right here. Either you come down here or live down here in these 5 houses, or you're lost, which is nice. Well, let's see how well this works. I want to see how the problem is I have to use 2 hands to do this, so it's a pain in the ass. All right, we continue.